Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy. If you're new over here, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Now in this video, I'm gonna do a little quick style for my niece, okay, for her to go to school, y'all. You guys can try this at home. I'm not a professional, so as you know, but you know, we had to look at something for herself. Like it, share it, and comment. Thank you. And now that's the end of the hairstyle, y'all. I hope you guys like it and go ahead and try. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, the little kitty pony hairstyle. All right, y'all. Thank you so much.